Hello, I'm Seerath and today I'm here to discuss Google Tag Manager API. So, first of all, what is an API? API stands for Application Programming Interface. And using the API of Google Tag Manager, we kind of get a backdoor to the GTM, right? We will be able to perform a ton of different actions and that too without a user interface. So to understand the Google Tag Manager API, let's go to this link here and we see that it is giving us all these options. So we can go to each one of them and see that what are the actions that we can take. So let's go to accounts first. Here, if I scroll down, I'll see various methods. So it has get, which gets a GTM account, then list, which lists all the GTM accounts. Then we have update, which updates a GTM account. Then we also have built-in variables here, and we have various methods for that too. Like we can create one or more built-ins, we can delete, we can list them, we can revert the changes. So in all, Google Tag Manager API is enabling us to perform a whole lot of different functions, right? If we go to containers, we can see that in the overview, we will have all the methods. Yeah, so similarly, we can see it for anything like tags, right? So what is the use of this API? So we don't necessarily need to use it, but this is something that we should know that it exists. And there is this great tool working on it that is GTM Tools, and it is created by Simo Avaha. And here I have logged in. So I'm getting the option of all my GTM accounts, right? So select the appropriate one. Then we have the container. So if I select this, I will have various options. So we have inspect, visualize, clone, and workspace mode. So let's see each one of them. First, let's go to visualize, as this is something very interesting. So start visualization. So this kind of gives us a visualization that what is happening, that okay, this is connected, like GAYT video report is connected to all these things. We have tags and triggers and variables here, and we can very easily visualize the connection, right? So this is something that we have created so far in all our videos. So a great way to visualize. So let's go back. And we have the option of inspect. So it says that inspect your container, include the option to add assets, tags, triggers, and variable to the cart. So let's go inspect. Now it says that we have 14 tags, 16 triggers, and all these things. So if I click the tag here, I have the option to add it to cart. I can simply add it here like this. And now if I see that I have 3 things added to my cart, I have the option to save the cart, clone the container, or empty the cart, right? So let's come back. Now, if we go here, we have the option to clone. We could clone a container version into the current or another account, right? We can do this. Then we have workspace mode. So if I click this, so then we have the workspace mode. And if I click this, then we have all the tags and we can simply make the edits here. And we also see that, okay, it has 1 link. This one has 2 links, right? If I scroll down, I can also see all my triggers. Then I'll have the option to delete and all these things. If I click the 3 dots here, I have the pause, edit folder, edit JSON, reset changes, and all these great things that are offered to us by this GTM tool. So this was all the options available to us, and this was Google Tag Manager API, and we can go here and explore it in further detail. So this is something that we should know again that it exists, but what the better use will be that the tools like this, which are using that API to help us like visualize things better and inspect it and do all sorts of cool things. So this was all about Google Tag Manager API. Thank you.